This is fish tinola with sweet potatoes and a para. Hello, I'm gonna share to you my recipe for a different recipe for a fish tinola. This fish tinola has root crops like sweet potato and a para. So what I did is I chopped it into cubes para madali maluto so that it will also cook evenly and cook in just a short period of time. So, next na ilalagay ko kasi luto na ito is yung isda. Pwede yellowfin, kahit anong isda yung masarap sa tinola. Blue marlin, tuna, o ano bang isdang meron kayo dyan. Masarap to guys. So, I added some fresh tomatoes as well. So, next lalagyan ko na siya ng isda kasi luto na. And these are yellowfin tuna. Yan, pakuluan hanggang maluto siya. Pag malapit na siya maluto, guys, lagyan natin ng lemongrass, tanglad. So, pakuluan muna natin for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna share to you what is the secret for a delicious soup. Namin is before boiling the water, you add salt. You add salt, enough salt to taste. Then once it boiled down, yun, paglagay mo ng mga ingredients, masarap na siya. Iba talaga ang lasa guys pag nilagay mo siya at first before boiling the water, then after na yung magtitimpla ka. Promise, kahit anong sabaw na lulutuin mo, masarap siya. Is the secret for a delicious soup. So, dito pa lang guys, tikman nyo na yung asin. If you already put enough salt. If matabang pa siya, then you add a little bit more salt. Kung gusto nyo mas malasa talaga, you can add a pinch of sugar instead of magic sarap or bitchin. Just a pinch of brown sugar will do. So, now guys, parang maluluto na yung isda. Ilalagay ko na yung green bell peppers. Ayan, kahit isa lang, pwede na yan. Mabango na yan. Tsaka yung tanglad. Ooh! So, let's boil it for about 1 to 2 minutes before natin ilagay yung malunggay. So yum, must try. Lunch is almost ready. Titikman ko siya ulit guys kung okay na ba yung asin. Napakasarap. So yum and healthy. Walang halong guys, nakakasama sa ating kalusugan. This is a very healthy fish, soup, and vegetable. So now, ilalagay ko na yung malunggay. I'm gonna add the moringa leaves now. Just boil it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and luto na siya guys. All set na! By the way guys, I did not add any magic syrup or ajinomoto for this one. Just only salt. It tastes good na and healthy. Promise. Bye! Wow! Ready, ready, ready!